So hi everyone, welcome back once again to VIEH job search series where we are sharing some sort of jobs which is for the people those who are into cybersecurity. So today we have a job for the people those who have very less experience actually. So the company name is infosec systems and the positions for that they are looking for is security consultant for SOC or associate security consultant again for the SOC position in SOC security operations center. Targeted audience, so the people those who are willing to apply they should have minimum 1 year of experience, 1 to 3 years, or 3 to 5 years of experience will be required. Actually these both thing is written because accordingly you will get some preferences for this job role. Now the next thing which is important is the job location. So those who are going to get hired for this company will be having a workspace or a company located in Mumbai or Hyderabad. And along with that, how to apply, you just have to share your resume on this mail ID, which is meena.sathe@infosec systems.com. So that's all. Those who feel this job is fit for you, you can apply for this job role. You have to just send your resume and let's wait for your chance. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.